All right, 5.7, joint management agreement with Tiara River Iwi Trust. Another joint management.
Good afternoon again. I'll take my report as being read, if I may, and just note one correction. A couple of times I've talked about the joint management agreement being signed. In actual fact, it's been approved. You may well remember December last year, we brought you up the draft agreement and you went through an approval process. TARIT have done the same thing at their end. The formal signing is planned for the 19th of May. Timing for this paper is driven by that, and that largely we'd like to see the representatives that we're proposing today go forward and represent council at that signing. It's really the beginning of that relationship moving forward.
Thanks, Nick. Tiara, that's Tiara, Rotorua?
Yes.
Yes.
Largely Rotorua based.
So will there be much involved for us, or?
Probably less so than whakaaro and certainly a lot less than tūwharotoa.
Right. Okay, so what you're looking for is a couple of...
Looking for three.
Three. Representatives. Councillor Kingi. Would you be interested? Any other anyone else interested?
Yeah, well.
Okay, so Councillor Williamson, Truman and Kingi. Everybody happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
So could I have a mover please for that? Thanks. Moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Park. Oh yeah. So who's...
I would propose that was Councillor Truman.
Yeah,
I was going to say
Yes,
Councillor Kingi.
The only thing I would tinker with Councillor Kingi is his other involvements with police whakaaro and trustees. I think it's a conflict.
Conflict. Okay. Councillor Truman, are you happy to accept the co-chair role?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I prefer Tom to. Yeah, I just think it's more appropriate for this time.
As co-chair, is that co-chair of the joint between us and them? Yeah, okay.
So it'll essentially be a committee that'll meet probably once or twice a year, 3 of their members, 3 of ours, and talk about what's going on in a council space and an iwi space. It's very much a relationship building exercise.
I don't necessarily think there would be a conflict with Councillor Kingi. It is just it's a relationship thing and a discussion. Gathering, I think the other one
We'll put him in and just and see that if he has a difficulty with it, that Councillor Truman, we could amend it at the next meeting or something like that. Yeah. How's that? Are you happy with that? Councillors happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right. So Councillors Truman and Kingi, Truman and Williamson. Governments and to act as and Councillor Kingi to act as co-chair. All right. Do we move that?
Can we just confirm that Councillor Cousins and Councillor Park are happy with adding that second part of the resolution?
The co-chair role?
Yep.
Yeah.
Moved and seconded.
Thank you. All right. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.